How to download a set of videos to watch offline on TikTok. This is actually really cool. If you know you're going to be offline for a bit, you can actually download TikTok videos in advance and then watch them as if you still had an internet connection. To turn this on, start out on your profile page. Then, in the top right corner, tap on the icon with three horizontal lines. On this little box that pops up, tap on Settings and Privacy, or just look for the gear icon. Sometimes this gear icon is still in the top right corner. Scroll down until you get to the cache and cellular section. Then tap on the first option, which is offline videos. Now you see you'll have the option to download between 50 and 200 videos. TikTok does give an estimated watch time. You can see the longest option is 200 videos, which will last about 120 minutes. For the sake of this video, just so they'll download quicker, I'm going to select 50 videos. Once you made your selection, tap on download. Now you can see that it's very quickly downloading a bunch of different videos. I'm up to 8 so far. Depending on the length of the video it chooses to download, some downloads will take a little longer than others. But just for the sake of this tutorial, I'm going to go ahead and kill my internet connection by turning on airplane mode. You can see no internet connection over at the top, but still I can, okay, it's not going to let me actually play the videos because I'm screen recording for the sake of this tutorial, as you can see in the little box that pops up. But if I wasn't screen recording right now, I'd still even be able to watch these videos despite the fact that I have no internet connection because I downloaded them in advance. So that's really all there is to it. Again, I think this is a really cool feature.